What is the best keyboard out of the box? You always get mad whenever I say it depends, but it really depends on which sound you like, if you want higher quality materials, ultimately on your budget, and. But let me show you the Evo 80, 80% custom keyboard from EvoWorks, built with high quality materials and using the latest technologies. It comes pre-built, but it rivals the quality and feel of a custom keyboard, so don't miss out on this one. My config is Sandgold color, Keygeek Oat Switches and a PP plate.